This jollof tastes like weddings, birthdays, and Sunday parties. I mean the kind everyone lines up for. If you know, you know, and if you don't, watch till the end. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make this delicious smoky party jollof that will leave a lasting impression on anyone you serve it to. So let's dive in. To begin, I started by preparing my jollof base. I washed and prepped my tomatoes and red bell peppers. Seeds were removed from them because they hold so much water. I put them in a baking tray and added my onions, ginger, garlic, and beetroot to enhance the color, and then I drizzled in a little oil and roasted it in the oven for 30 minutes until soft and slightly charred. I drained out the excess water, added scotch bonnet peppers, and blended everything till smooth. Now that we have a thick paste, let's go into the cooking proper. Heat your pan and go in with any oil of your choice. Once heated enough, go in with salt and onions. Stir and let the onions soften and release their flavor before going in with your tomato paste and blended pepper mix. This step is very important. Let it fry properly. You want the sauce to thicken, deepen in color, and lose the raw taste. Take your time here because this is where the flavor builds. I covered the pot and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes before going in with my spices. For the spices, I added curry powder, seasoning cubes, thyme, bay leaves, and all-purpose seasoning. I stirred everything together and let it cook until the sauce thickened and the oil rose to the top. While I covered the pot and allowed it to cook, I quickly prepped my rice. I didn't parboil my rice. I just washed the rice with hot water until the water runs clear. If you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, share this video, and turn on your notification button. We have lots of lovely recipes to share with you, so don't miss out. Look now, the paste has thickened and the oil has separated. This is how you know it's ready. I scooped some of the base out. This will be used later if needed. Next, I added my washed rice. Then I stirred it properly to combine and then added my stock and adjusted with water. Stir properly to combine. Taste to see if you need any adjustments with the spices because this is the right time. Be very careful with the amount of water you add to your jollof because you don't want it to come out too soft. So just put the water to be a little above the rice. It's better you adjust the water before the rice is done than having a soggy rice. Once you start cooking, be careful not to keep stirring the rice because if you do it too much, the water will stay on top of the rice and will not dry out well. Yeah, you will not have good results with that. Cover the rice and allow to cook on medium heat till it's almost done. When the rice is almost done, about 97% cooked, I added a little butter for richness and garnished with bell peppers. I covered the pot, let it steam for a few minutes before adding the reserved jollof base and gently fluffing the rice. This gently folds everything together and lets the smoky, roasted flavors blend perfectly with the rice, giving it that party taste everyone loves. Do you like your jollof extra smoky or just lightly flavored? Would you love to try out this method anytime soon? Let me know what you think in the comment section. After adding the reserved jollof base and gently fluffing the rice, cover the pot and let it steam on a low heat for about 2 minutes. Then it's ready to be brought down and served. And this right here is the final result. A delicious pot of smoky party jollof rice. Perfectly cooked grains, rich, and that irresistible aroma you can almost taste through the screen. Every spoonful is packed with that richness of smoky party jollof. It's so tasty and deeply satisfying. This is the kind of delicious jollof that gets people coming back for more. Let me know if you'd love to try this out soon. And thank you for watching till the end. I truly appreciate you. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with someone who loves jollof, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!